Sound Effects. That's our junior high version of the high school show choirs. They've been in existence for over 12 years and have consistently won their division at show choir competitions around the state of Missouri. Jan Sproles has been the vocal director for the last 6 years and has truly enjoyed every moment she has spent with all of her kids. This year, Sound Effects show focuses on love. At first, you think it's just another teenage romance show, because we need more of those. But then things take a turn and Sound Effects begins to focus on friendship, a relationship that lasts much longer than junior high romance. And then they admit that staying close to others is really hard and it's always a two-way street. But what makes everything beautiful is when love takes over. Where there is love, there is hope, joy, and the promise of eternity. We hope you enjoy the show. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Sound Effects.
Just keep losing my beat. I'm okay, I'm alright. I ain't gonna face no defeat. Just gotta get out of this prison cell. Someday I'm gonna be free, Lord. Find me somebody to love. Find me somebody to love. soon I will be there to brighten up even your darkest night. You just call and you know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, all you've got to do is call, and I'll be there. Yes, I will. You've got a friend. If the sky above you should turn dark and full of clouds, and that old north wind should begin to blow, keep your heads together and call my name out loud. Soon I'll be knocking upon your door. And you know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, all you've got to do is call, and I'll be there. Yes, I will. Ain't it good to know that you've got a friend when people can be so cold? They'll hurt you and desert you. They'll take your soul if you let them, but don't you let them. You just call my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running, running, running to see you again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall,
stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll be the light to guide you. And if you ever find yourself lost in the dark you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you.
I never thought that it'd be easy, 'cause we're both so distant now, and the walls are closing in on us, and we're wondering how. No one has a solid answer, but you're still walking in the dark, and you see the look on my face, it just tears me apart. So we fall through the hurt, and we cry. Complicated, it always is, that's just the way it goes. Feels like I've waited so long for this, I wonder if it shows. It never felt so good, 'cause I can feel it coming over me, I wouldn't stop it if I could. Give me a reason, God knows. Do you feel it too? Can't you see me here on overload? And this time I blame you.